Exercise 7D, question number 11. Use the percentage points table to find a value of z such that probability less than a given value of z is 0.15. We need to use the percentage points table to find the probability less than a particular value of z. But the percentage points table always gives us a probability greater than a particular value of z. So first let us start with a probability of 0.15 being towards the greater side of z. So let us draw the diagram to represent this information. This is a probability greater than a particular value of z, which is 0.15. We are drawing this because we need to use the table, and the table gives us the probability to the right side. Now we use the table. We have the probability on the right side and we have the corresponding z value. So with the help of the table, we can find the z value, which is 1.0364. So we write here 1.0364. Now we go back to the question. The question tells us to find the z value such that probability less than z value is 0.15. Now since we can use symmetry in our bell curve diagram, we can very easily find the z value which has the probability towards its left side as 0.15. So we draw another bell curve, and probability less than is 0.15, and we know that we call this z1. We know that this will be negative since it is to the left side of the mean, so that is going to be minus 1.0364. So indirectly we have used the table to find the corresponding z value. So that answers for part A. In part B, the question says a hat manufacturer makes a special little hat which should fit 15% of its customers. Given that the hat sizes can be modeled using a normal distribution with a mean of 57 and standard deviation of 2, use your answer in part A to find the size of a little hat. So now the hat manufacturer, he makes a special little hat which should fit 15% of its customers. So the little hat will be towards the left side. So first of all, let us write the question is giving us that we are using a normal distribution with a mean of 57. So the size is distributed normally with a mean of 57 and standard deviation of 2, and we can put this on the bell curve. So the mean is 57. This is the percentage of the little hat. Okay, and we need to find the corresponding A value as to what is the size of the little hat. Now we know the formula. Z value is equal to observed value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. We already have the z value corresponding to the 0.15 probability to its left. So we will write minus 1.0364 is equal to observed value, which is A, which we need to find, minus the mean 57 divided by the standard deviation 2. Now we can use our calculator to find the answer. So we have minus 1.0364 multiplied by 2 plus 57, and that is A is equal to 54.92. So we can round it off to three significant figures, 54.92. 4.9 centimeters.